In this video, I'm doing something quite a bit different. I'll be testing GoPro Labs Firmware maximum shutter angle riding the Klein Attitude Race with no helmet light
got a pedal
and without a bar light.
Come on.
I'm doing so because Hypersmooth tends to lock up, it freezes, or it has ghosting. This QR code and script allows the camera to bypass the shutter.
Sweet. Kind of trying to see which angle's the best, which ISO setting. 3200 is what I'm going to use for this test. 180 degree, 90 degrees, 45. I'm going to stop at 45. Max Hyperview AutoBoost off, and I have it on just regular Hypersmooth. Okay, first test. This will be GoPro Labs maximum shutter angle. Pull it up here real quick. 180, 3200. Start. Horizon leveling is on, or horizon lock. God. Stop raining. Okay, 90 degrees, 3200. So I did take some of the time, see if this rain was gonna hold off, and kind of worked on the fork. I think I fixed the lockout on it. Okay, that was 90 degrees, 3200. Next one, 45 degrees, 3200. So this should be pretty dark. See if it'll pick up some of these lights. Over here, tennis courts. Okay, so that was 45, 3200. So now I'm gonna run through all those again with AutoBoost on. AutoBoost is on, 180 degree, 3200, ISO. Horizon lock is on. Do another pedal lap on this. I'm gonna call everything right here. 180, 3200, ISO. AutoBoost is on. Get the lights over here. All right. So 180 it's not a bad one to use. You gotta be careful with the ISO. 3200 is a little hot. 90 and 3200 I think is the best. See, I wanted to get a shot of the bridge over here. It goes over 75. I wanted to do it on the bike. I can't right now. There it is. 90 degrees, 3200. AutoBoost is on. It's also a good place to, or any parking deck is probably a decent place to go. Get a few pedals in. Get that bridge again. All right, max shutter angle, 45 degrees, 3200 ISO. AutoBoost is on. Hope everybody's doing well with this crappy weather. Lights Okay, turn. Man, it's freaking pouring. Not cool at all. Get a shot of these bridge lights again. Turn here. All right, I just switched it back to 90 degrees, 3200 ISO, and AutoBoost on. I'm gonna pedal back to the car and leave, but I put it back on 90 degrees because more than likely that's what I'll use with AutoBoost. Rain pouring, man. Just a way to get some pedaling in. So it's been raining for several hours. Don't think it's going to let up. At all. 90 degrees. Well, you know, if the weather sucks, might as well try to get out, do something. It's not bad. Oh, I hope that didn't get on the lens. Well, I guess I'll have a soaking wet bike on the way back. It's all good. Thanks for watching, guys. It's a good place to test for different contrast lighting scenarios. This building here, the sports complex or workout facility, that'd be perfect. The bike shop's actually right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like stuff like this, let me know. I'll do more. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.